Hi, this is Don McAllister and welcome to another edition of Screencasts Online. Well, for this week I thought I'd do another deep dive on an application that is included with macOS and iOS but is often overlooked. And that app is Reminders. Apple have been steadily improving and adding to the functionality of the Reminders app, and it's now powerful enough to act as your day-to-day to-do list and more. Now, to be honest, I think the name Reminders doesn't do the app justice. It's more than a simple Reminders application, as it can be used as a personal to-do list or even a shared to-do list with the ability to assign tasks to other people. You can even use it as a simple outliner if needs be. With powerful integration with Siri and other applications, Reminders can act as the default repository for all sorts of lists of information. So let's take a look at Reminders on the Mac first, and we'll take a look at Reminders on iOS later. So this is the Reminders user interface across here on macOS, very iOS-like. But just to point out to you, basically there are two areas of the screen. There is the sidebar and there is the content area over here as well. Now in the sidebar we have these new smart lists. So currently I have no reminders set up, so nothing's appearing in any of these smart lists, but we have scheduled, today, all our reminders and any flagged reminders. And below there we have lists. Now these are the separate lists of reminders. You can create a new list very, very easily. In fact, let's go ahead and do that. We'll say add list down here at the bottom. Call this shopping list. And we now have a separate list that we can start entering reminders into. But before we put anything in our shopping list, let's go up to the reminders list. You'll notice here, if I move away and back across onto the list, we have this little icon here. You can share lists with other people. And once you've shared a list, you can then assign tasks or reminders within that list to those other people. And you'll see this one here, family. Because I'm in family sharing, this is already shared by default. So if there were any reminders in here, I could assign them to other members of the family. But we'll look at that separately. Let's go back up to reminders. That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.